Hi children, in this video we are going to discuss about important concept for your board exam as well as NEET exam. Types of inheritance of sex linked characters. In this video we are going to discuss about two types. Type number 1 crisscross inheritance. Type number 2 non-crisscross inheritance. First we'll start with crisscross inheritance. Male or female parent transfer a X-linked character to their grandson or granddaughter through the offspring of opposite sex. It's called it as crisscross inheritance. Character appears in alternative generation. Right? Shall we discuss in brief crisscross inheritance? We are going to see in two types: diandric inheritance, diagenic inheritance. Diandric inheritance means through male. Right? Diandric inheritance in which characters are inherited from grandmother. So you have to say it's a female. Consider to grandmother to the son, her son. So we'll consider son as a father over here. Then it transferred from the son to the granddaughter. Simply we can say ஒரு character female இருந்து மகனுக்கு போய் மகன்ல இருந்து granddaughter பேத்திக்கு வர்ற பேட்டர்னை நம்ம criss-cross pattern அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். See, it's actually a female with X-linked character. Last video itself we discussed what is X-linked inheritance. X-linked inheritance means a gene which carry the triad. The triad may be a disorder or a character that is inherited from the X chromosome, right? That is X-linked inheritance. So, ஒரு ஃபீமேல இருந்து அவங்களோட சன்னுக்கு, சன்ல இருந்து அவங்களோட கிராண்ட் டாட்டருக்கு இப்படி ஆல்டர்னேட் ஜென்ரேஷன்ல போறத நம்ம கிறிஸ் கிராஸ் இன்ஹெரிட்டன்ஸ் சொல்லுவோம். Female to male, then male to female. This type of alternative generation, alternative character expression is called it as criss-cross inheritance. Right? Mother to son, son to granddaughter. So mother is having a X-linked character. She got married with a man. Then what will happen? That particular X-linked character, X-linked genetic character transferred from the mother X chromosome and then father Y chromosome. Then it gives a boy baby. Consider the boy baby as your father. That father marry a woman. Then the father's X chromosome transferred to the daughter. So that daughter you have to consider to be a granddaughter. So female to male, male to again female. So this type of inheritance is called it as criss-cross inheritance. Diandric. Diandric means through male. The character transferred through a male. So this is called it as diandric inheritance. Diagenic inheritance through female. See this cross? Female. This is male. Male grandfather. Consider the male as a grandfather. X, Y chromosome. That particular X carries a X-linked character. That X-linked character transferred to his daughter. So consider the daughter as a mother. So X, X. So one X coming from the father, another X coming from the mother. So father X carries the particular genetical X-linked chromosomal character. Then that mother marries a normal man. What will happen? the X-linked chromosome transferred to the son. That son should be a grandson. So, grandfather to mother, mother to grandson. So, ஒரு ஜென்ரேஷன்ல இருந்து இன்னொரு ஜென்ரேஷனுக்கு ஆல்டர்னேட்டா போறத நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், கிறிஸ் கிராஸ் இன்ஹெரிட்டன்ஸ் ஆர் zigzag inheritance. So, here female, through female the character crossed. So, male ல இருந்து female, female ல இருந்து male. So, this is actually a criss-cross inheritance. Male grandfather considered as a grandfather, தாத்தா கிட்ட இருந்து அம்மாக்கு, அம்மா கிட்ட இருந்து மகனுக்கு. இந்த மாதிரி டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகிறத criss-cross inheritance, diagenic inheritance சொல்லுவோம். Got it? இப்போ criss-cross inheritance, diandric, diagenic. Diandric means inheritance which are inherited from mother to the son, from the son to the granddaughter, right? That is criss-cross inheritance, diandric. Diagenic inheritance which characters are inherited from father to the daughter, from daughter to the grandson. This is actually diagenic criss-cross inheritance. Next, non-criss-cross inheritance. In this inheritance, male or female parent transfer sex-linked character to their grandson or granddaughter to the same sex. See the cross? It's a hollandric inheritance and then hologenic inheritance. Hollandric inheritance means through male to male, right? See the cross, male is having Y-linked gene, that Y-linked inherited gene, Y-linked character transferred from father to the son. So, this father should be a grandfather, considered to be a grandfather. Then it transferred to the son, son to the another male again. So, male to male to male, that character transferred from same sex. This type of inheritance is called it as non-criss-cross inheritance. Father to son, then grandson. Male to male type of inheritance is called it as non-criss-cross inheritance. Hollandric inheritance. What is hollandric inheritance? Father to son, son to grandson. So, male to male, again male. So, this type of inheritance is called it as non-criss-cross inheritance. Hollandric type. When a male with Y-linked character, okay, Y-linked inheritant character marry a female, that particular Y-linked gene transferred from father to son directly. Because Y chromosome is peculiarly present in the man, right? Then that character transferred to his son. This type of inheritance is a hollandric non-criss-cross inheritance. Hologenic inheritance. Some of the X chromosomal character also follow the same non-criss-cross inheritance type, in that mother to daughter, daughter to granddaughter. Right? This type of inheritance is called it as hologenic inheritance. There is no alternate character happen over here. Here the direct character happen. Okay, the character transferred directly from the same sex. Female to female. Got it? I hope you can understand it. Thank you, children.